Going home, man. She's showing me a TikTok video. Showing me a TikTok video. What the fuck is this?
I drew this.
Oh my god, man. Definite. Oh yeah.
I drew this.
Yeah, man.
None of your business.
Shut up. Literally stop talking.
We are the nicest people in our school.
Exactly. Go faster.
Wait, you're the nicest or the nicest?
Die. We're going fast because Rainy, please.
I didn't say your name.
Okay, good. Dummy. And you had marry me, man.
No, man.
Oh, it was. I already showed that.
Amine. It's
Emine.
Amine.
Oh, it's out of focus now. Come on.
So, guess what?
Yeah.
I was at the movies, and this guy had like.
It's out of focus. Sorry, guys.
This guy had anime stickers on like his bumper
Let's go with
of
the
his
focus.
car. But it's
really
the
cool.
worst kind of anime. It was hentai.
No, don't
Oh.
give me young.
No offense, people. It's just inappropriate. We are minors. We are minors. We are minors. We are minors.
It was like needy anime girls.
I have the eyebrow mannequin.
Probably
Yeah.
just those things.
We're escaping school, guys. Definitely.
We're totally escaping school. It's totally not the end of the
Goodbye, you little rats. Guys, so we can't find our bus. Shut up. But we can't find our bus. And we're just wandering. We can't find it. Chief, go.